this is Paul Nelson with Wyoming Wood Floors, and we are here at the Destiny Christian Academy in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And we are doing an ASBA, the American Sports Builders Association regional training meeting, training workshop to help gymnasium flooring contractors understand how to use riding sanders and make gymnasium floors look fantastic. There's nothing that we do that we're not willing to share. If there's any piece of equipment you want to take a picture of, you want to go on our trailer and take pictures. Okay? We're all here to learn. We are excited to be here. We're excited for the opportunity that ASBA's given us. And I know we've got a bunch of folks here from all around the country that are excited to learn the fine art of sanding gymnasium floors.
Hello, I'm Kathy Lloyd, and I am with Destiny Christian Academy, and we are so excited to have ASBA here helping redoing our gym floor. We have just around 85 kids this year, and we're a K through 12 school. We have a harvest party in the fall. Basketball is on Tuesday night, and we have people coming from Colorado and I think all around the city of Cheyenne also. And then at Easter time, we have an egg extravaganza here, and the community really shows up. The kids, we love the gym. In fact, they're heartbroken that they can't go for 2 weeks. So every day they are asking to go, but we do so many things in this gym. We love it.
And I'm just going to go through them briefly. Learning how to properly put abrasive or sandpaper in the American 12. Jason, and the degree of difficulty of this whole.
Hello, this is Paul Nelson, Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Destiny Christian Academy in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And we're in the middle of our 2024 regional ASBA Gymnasium Floor Sanding School. And I have here with me Mr. Randy Reesley and Mr. Chris Winchell. Chris, thanks for being with us.
Absolutely, thank you for having me.
And Randy, you are the president of ASBA.
Chairman of the board.
Chairman of the board. Can you just tell us a little bit about ASBA and what it does for contractors, both sport floor contractors and all kinds of contractors?
Yeah, ASBA provides members the opportunity to be educated and learn the best practices on how to construct synthetic turf fields, running tracks, tennis courts, and in our case here, gymnasium flooring as well.
So this has been a dream for a number of years.
Yeah, this is the ideal application. For me personally, it's a give back to a community, right, that has a need, singularly. Secondly is it is providing an opportunity for contractors to come in from not only the region but across the country to be able to be educated on an offering that they may or may not know how to do, right? So we talk about 10 people here today that have never been on a rider sander setup before, and now you've provided them that opportunity. And not only you provide them the opportunity, but you're educating them in the best practice and the best application possible.
As you see it, same thing with the rider.
These lighter grits need more shims. When you're doing 36 or 24, you won't even need one.
Okay.
Interesting side note, we called this a regional training. I think my vision was for guys in the Rocky Mountain West to come. We have people that have come from Florida, Louisiana, Texas, Iowa, all over the continental United States to attend this training. Is humbling.
Yeah. My name is Edgardo, and my company is Rowland Conover. We are stated in Hartford, Connecticut.
My name is Keith Fuquay with Fuquay Flooring. We're all the way from Ruston, Louisiana.
My name is Ben Kimmenall. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri, owner of Kimmenall Wood Floors.
Getting on the sander and safety equipment, learning how to drive the riding floor sander, feeling comfortable floor sanding with the riding sander.
To find this opportunity to be able to give back, it has taken a tremendous amount of time and effort. There's a number of individuals that have been working with ASBA trying to get these types of regional trainings off the ground. This is going to be class act all the way through. We'll try and replicate it and continue to offer up state-of-the-art offerings on a go forward as well.
And I just want to take a second and say a deep thank you to the Destiny Christian Church, to Pastor Rick, to Principal Kathy Lloyd, and to ASBA, the American Sports Builders Association, to Fred Stringfellow with the Stringfellow Group, Randy Reesley, the chairman of the board at ASBA, and to all the contractors that had this vision years ago of a contractor association that would train and benefit contractors. I just feel absolutely humbled at having an opportunity to participate with all the folks that came to this training. And I can say without question that our team learned more than anybody that came to that training. We were really humbled and blessed. And in the great words of Albert Einstein, if I have seen further, it's only because I stand on the shoulders of giants. Make it a great day.